Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Shared Email Account feature in LeadCenter. This allows emails to be sent using your domain and your own email accounts instead of the system default. By default, emails are sent from no reply at LeadCenter.Ai. To send emails directly from your own address, configure your settings on the Shared Email Account page. To access the Shared Email Account page, click your name in the upper right corner. Go to Settings, and under Basic Settings, select Shared Email Account. Shared email accounts are used across several LeadCenter subsystems. For example, appointment-related emails, including confirmation and reminder emails. It is also used for event coordination and reminder emails, workflow emails, sending emails to contacts. And under Marketing, for example, when scheduling an email marketing campaign. A shared email account can connect through LeadCenter Email Marketing, your Office 365 account, or any other email system that supports SMTP. The differences between these three options are listed on the Help page, under the Shared Email Account section. LeadCenter Email Marketing is an add-on that requires a subscription. Office 365 and SMTP don't require one, since they rely on your existing email system. However, both Office 365 and SMTP come with limitations, outlined in the table shown here. LeadCenter's email solution is strongly recommended for three key reasons beyond what's listed above. First, providers like Microsoft, Google, or Yahoo may suspend your account if it's used to send mass emails with the same subject and body to hundreds of contacts. This violates their policies, as those email systems are designed for transactional messages, not bulk or marketing emails. Email delivery can also fail, since these systems limit how many emails can be sent per second, unlike LeadCenter's built-in email system. LeadCenter's email marketing system allows tracking of opens and clicks. It also lets contacts subscribe or unsubscribe from emails, features not available in basic email services. When configuring your account, you have two options. To use LeadCenter Email Marketing, you'll first need to activate the email marketing subscription. Click the link to open the subscription page. Then click Upgrade Subscription and make sure the second option is selected. This option is selected by default. You'll see the features of the email marketing system and its pricing. LeadCenter uses a tiered monthly pricing model based on the number of unique email addresses in your database. The system also shows the number of emails you can send each month. After subscribing, select LeadCenter Email Marketing from the options. Alternatively, to use Office 365, choose that option and click Connect to link your shared Office 365 email account. You can also connect a Google, Yahoo, or other account by selecting Other from the list, then enter the correct SMTP hostname, username, password, and port. To receive contact-related emails, also add the IMAP host and port. Further details on these options will be covered in upcoming videos. As a quick recap, make sure to configure a shared email account by choosing LeadCenter Email Marketing, Office 365, or other. Future videos will guide you through setting each one up. Thank you.